In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account on Wise. This will make sending and receiving money much easier. Let's get started. First, go to wise.com and sign into your account using your email and password. Next, click your profile icon at the top right corner to open your account settings. Then, scroll down the menu and click Payment Methods. After that, choose Connected Bank Accounts to see your current linked accounts. Now click Connect your bank account to begin the linking process. Choose your country. Wise currently supports linking bank accounts for the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada only. Then just follow the on-screen prompts to securely connect your bank using Wise's supported verification process. Bonus tip: if your country isn't supported yet, you can still add a card or use manual transfers. Check Wise's Help Center to stay updated on supported countries. And that's how you link your bank account on Wise. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tutorials like this. See you next time!